Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to reactivate your Yahoo account after inactivity. So let's get started. The way you can actually recover your account is pretty simple, but will only work if you're still in the qualification range. So for example, if you got an email from Yahoo saying that they deactivated your account, then this does not mean that your account is actually deactivated. It only means that it is about to be deactivated. So you normally have a 30-day window from which you can sign in and still reactivate your account. But after 30 days of this email, if you still have not signed in, then your account will actually be deactivated. So just go to your browser, go to Yahoo and just sign in. And this should fix it from deactivating. For example, your account was created in Australia or New Zealand, then you still have 90 days. But for example, in Brazil, Hong Kong, Taiwan and India, there you have a 180 days window. So once you log in, you will be able to verify your recovery info and change your password if you would like. Now if you cannot sign in, then this might be another issue. For example, your account might be banned or suspended for another suspicion. So to fix this issue, you'll just have to go to Yahoo support. So go to io.help.yahoo.com. So here just follow the instructions and they will help you in fixing the issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.